Good morning, everyone. Let's proceed to our lesson, the lesson regarding ethnicity. So, in this unit, we should be able to articulate observations on human cultural variation, social differences, social change, and political identities. We target to appreciate the diversity that exists among individuals and groups, comprehend differences with an open mind, treat others with kindness and love. So we are in our lesson three already. I already asked you to fill out the different uh, cultural groups that you belong to, your language and dialects, religion, traditions, food, arts, and crafts. So you were able to identify the cultural group that you belong to, the uniqueness of your group from other groups. You were able to share similar characteristics with other cultural groups, and you will you were able to specify the effects of this belonging to a group in your life in general. Now, the ethnic group refers to a specific group of people with similar characteristics and a distinct cultural identity from other groups in the community or the society. For example, we have the Tagalog, Ilocano, Ifugao, and Kapampangan. So these are examples of ethnic groups. Now, if the ethnic groups refers to a category of collection of people, the term ethnicity denotes the shared culture of this group, which includes cultural heritage, the language, the dialect, religion, traditions, and rituals, norms and values, beliefs, and other practices. Now, having an ethnicity makes it easy for people to feel that they can identify with an ethnic group. In other words, the shared culture or ethnicity of a group of people makes them a solid identity as an ethnic group. Now, it is very interesting to identify this ethnicity because it enables individuals to separate and distinguish their culture from other groups, which is not part of them. So, for example, the one that you can see on the picture for the different group of ethnicity. So these people have different practices and traditions. Now, while the race is socially constructed category attributed to people who share with biological traits or attributes. So it is defined based on the skin color, based on facial features, the texture of their hair, and the color of their hair. So these are racial attributes na tinatawag. The black, the white, the Asian, the Caucasoid, the Negroid, the Mongoloid, the Malayo-Polynesian, or the Austronesian. So these are races. Now, it is important for us to remember that even though race is based on biological characteristic, the concept is socially constructed. So it is still the society decides whether with which physical characteristics are significant enough to get a label or a name. Now, differentiating the race and ethnicity is actually not that difficult since they have different bases. So, the race is based on biological characteristics, while ethnicity is constructed through cultural base. So, again, both ethnicity and race are socially constructed. The difference between the two This is based on cultural traits and diverse, while the other one is constructed based on biological characteristics, more on unitary or a singular perception about the race itself or the description. So, yan. Ethno-linguistic groups are ethnic groups with their own language, the Ifugao, the Iknig, and the Kalinga. Now, the religion and ethnicity defines or tells us that it is a system of beliefs, worldviews, and practices related to humanity and spirituality. Now, for the ethnicity, for instance, the one race, French people, belongs to an ethnic group, di ba? They have same ethnicity but different religion. Mm. Now, for example, Catholic, if their religion is Catholic or Christianity, so that's the religion in ethnicity. Now, the animism naman is the belief that spiritual forces reside in natural elements of the physical world. So there are spirits among other things that surrounds them or in the environment. Now, it depends on the different practices or different beliefs of this group of people. So they tend to give consideration or give value to the symbols or the symbolic nature of that particular object or part of nature. So for example, the different mountains, trees, the clouds, the sun. Diba? In the earlier times, sun is considered as God. Diba? So it has a distinction based on our earlier beliefs. So one of the earliest record of animism is during the time of hunting and gathering in the prehistoric society, pre-industrial world. So the sacredness, the concept of God and goddesses or the gods developed essentially during the agricultural period or the horticultural and agricultural society. Now, in our world, contemporary world, in ngayong panahon, we have lived in different religions established across the world, having different sets of beliefs, rituals, gods, and sacred symbols. Now, today we have Christianity, Islam, Judaism, Hinduism, Buddhism, Confucianism, Taoism, and Shintoism. I remember when I am teaching introduction to world beliefs and religions, there were different sets of religions that were identified as monotheistic, monotheistic, and polytheistic. So, isa lang yung God na they believe into, while others have different gods and goddesses. Now, what are the social implications of these diverse ethnicities? So, meron siyang uh, strength and weaknesses. So each ethnic group strengthen one group from the other. But some, in different cases, it develops conflicts and issues like prejudice, diba? Prejudice sometimes create bias and faulty generalization about an entire group of people based on what they saw, what they read, or sometimes there are no evidences that was given. Stereotypes or oversimplified assumption describe already a whole ethnic group, 'di ba? It can be a positive and negative, although most are created condemning other ethnic groups. So, for example, our Muslim brothers from Mindanao, 'di ba? There were there were things that it it doesn't really tell, but already generalize the terms that if they are from that region, tama region, tama, that from that region, they were they brought something, or they are terrorizing people. Now that prejudice created because of the armed rebellion and associated for those people who are living in Mindanao, and we do not know if they are really from that particular area. And sabi nga nila, they are those who are practicing the Islam religion. But this type of judgment instigate may instigate intense conflict among different ethnic groups. So what do we need to do? We have to understand. We have to uh, undermine and value, 'di ba? Give value to this kind of groups of people na we have to understand that not all these people are creating creating terror in our society. 'Di ba? We have to understand. Now, another one is the development of minority groups. They are the groups that are singled out or treated as inferior. So, this is only an example. For example, China has its belief about the context of xenophobia. Other than that's the reason why they created the Great Wall of China, because they don't want other intruders or the barbarians, the group of peoples, ang parang ano yun, yung mga Mongolians, the Europeans, to come across their borders or their country. So they believe, because they believe that their culture is dominant among other group because of their cultural characteristics as well as physical characteristics. So the minority group experiences also different degree of discrimination from the society. And that discrimination and maltreatment is present, or these are present in our Philippine society. It may be observed in our businesses, in work, in corporations. So some acquired or evade ancestral lands that belongs to the ethnic groups and transform it into business investment without giving the due process or giving the uh, ample amount to what values to the ancestral lands na tinatawag. Kaya nga, tinatag nila yung, ang tawag dito, yung nagkaroon tayo ng batas with regards to the Anti-Ethnic or Racial Profiling and Discrimination Act of 2011. So, kahit sa trabaho, hindi na pwede mag-discriminate against the race, against religion, against ethnicity. So, people should be given or be distributed different social services, 'di ba? And improve the standards of their living, as well as there should be no discrimination against the races or the color of the skin. Prominent before yung among the British, as well as Indians, the color of the skin, 'di ba? Or the white and the black Americans na tinatawag. So, another one, yan, religious conflict involved and during the time ng COVID pandemic. So, nagkaroon siya. So, what should we stop? I want you to write down what should be stopped based on this lesson, what should be continued, and what are you going to start with. I hope that you were able to identify and understand different religions based on subtle ideas as well as uh, the lesson about autism. So that's it. Now I will check your assignment about this one when I go back on Thursday and meet you. Yan. I already asked you to answer this one. And also, if you still have time, kindly answer this. I will also check this if we were able to meet on Thursday. So that's it for today. Goodbye, everyone.